In this video, you're going to learn about how to make a decision with the Claude. So over here, you will see that I have two products from the internet. Both represent the same item, which is Pampas Cross. From it, one link is from the Shein.com, and the other one is from the Temu. So obviously, people are regularly buying from these kind of a platform, and I have the same product with two different links over the different pricing. I shared it with the Claude and I asked it to review and analyze and help me decide which one I should go and opt for. So here you will see that if I had, it has given the verdict with if I had to give a default pick, it is the Sheen Fox White Set. Purely an over risk, Fox bumper strips well, stay clean and last. I would only pick the Temu dried mix if the natural look matters more to you than the mess and durability. Over here, you will see all the logical questioning and answering on behalf of me. So that makes sense. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe, give me the credit in the comments, and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.